Kamchatka. A remote peninsula in Russia's far east, tucked between the Pacific Ocean and the Sea of Okhotsk. Barely touched, barely known. A land few have seen. Quiet, wild, and untouched by time. Kamchatka is also called the land of fire and ice. Steaming valleys, massive glaciers, boiling springs. It is a place where the earth still breathes. Over 160 volcanoes, 29 still active. Mutnovsky is one of Kamchatka's most active volcanoes. Rising 2,322 meters, it is a living machine of stone and sulfur. Majestic, volatile, alive. Its slopes hiss with steam. Deep inside, molten rock stirs. From the crater floor, steam hisses into the sky. Its craters boil. These fumaroles, vents in the Earth's crust, release gases from deep within the magma chamber. They shape the landscape, carving fragile towers of sulfur and stone. The air is sharp and biting, a stinging mix of sulfur, ash, and something ancient. It smells of struck matches and boiling stone, like the breath of the planet itself. Every gust is a reminder. This land is alive, and it remembers fire. With darkness approaching, we make our way down slowly towards the truck. From the base of the volcano, we drive into the evening. The terrain is unstable. The truck moves slowly. Every meter is a challenge. The wheels rattle over boulders, sink into ash, grind against time-worn stone. It feels like crossing another planet, Kamchatka's volcanic core laid bare. As night falls, we reach camp. A small shelter, a few tents. No electricity, no signal. Just stillness. Mount Gorely rises to 1,829 meters. The last eruption came in 2010. It is a stratovolcano, layered by centuries of eruption. The wind picks up as we gain elevation. Each gust cuts through the layers. There is no shelter here, only stone, ash, and open sky. At the summit, the crater opens before us. Inside, a lake, pale blue, shifting with the light. It is a sour crater lake, rich in sulfuric acid, iron, and aluminum. Its color, milky turquoise to green, comes from light, minerals, and heat. We move along the crater rim. The drop beside us is steep, the wind relentless. Every step demands care. descent begins. Loose scree underfoot, thin air above. This is not a place people stay. It allows only passage. A brief moment on the edge of the earth.